वित्त मंत्री निर्मला सीतारमण ने आज प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी के नेतृत्व में लगातार तीसरी बार एनडीए सरकार का पहला बजट पेश किया है। उन्होंने संसद में सुबह 11 बजे बजट 2024 को पेश किया। इस दौरान वित्त मंत्री ने बजट भाषण में बिहार में विभिन्न सड़क परियोजनाओं के लिए 26,000 करोड़ रुपए का प्रस्ताव रखा है। उन्होंने कहा है कि सरकार बिहार में हवाई अड्डे, मेडिकल कॉलेज और खेल संबंधित बुनियादी ढांचे भी स्थापित करेगी। केंद्र बिहार, झारखंड, पश्चिम बंगाल, ओडिशा और आंध्र प्रदेश के सर्वगीण विकास के लिए पूर्वोदय योजना भी लगाएगा। वित्त मंत्री ने कहा है कि सरकार हर साल 1 लाख छात्रों को सीधे ई वाउचर उपलब्ध कराएगी, जिसमें ऋण राशि का 3% ब्याज अनुदान भी शामिल होगा।
To our government to take the country on the path of strong development and an all-round prosperity. In the interim budget, we promise to present a detailed roadmap for our pursuit of Viksit Bharat. In line with the strategy set out in the interim budget, this budget envisages sustained efforts on the following 9 priorities for generating ample opportunities for all. Number 1, productivity and resilience in agriculture. Number 2, employment and skilling. Number 3, inclusive human resource development and social justice. 4, manufacturing and services. 5, urban development. 6, energy security. 7, infrastructure. 8, innovation, research and development. And 9, next generation reforms. Subsequent budgets will build on these and add more priorities and actions. Will implement following 3 schemes for employment-linked incentive as part of the Prime Minister's package. These will be based on enrollment in the EPFO and focus on recognition of first-time employees and support to employees and employers. Scheme A, first-timers. This scheme will provide 1 month wage to all persons newly entering the workforce in all formal sectors. Direct benefit transfer of 1 month's salary in 3 installments to first-time employees as registered in the EPFO will be up to 15,000 rupees. The eligibility limit will be a salary of 1 lakh per month. The scheme is expected to benefit 210 lakh youths. Scheme B, job creation in manufacturing. This scheme will incentivize additional employment in the manufacturing sector linked to the employment of first-time employees. An incentive will be provided at specified scale directly both to the employee and the employer with respect to the EPFO contribution in the first 4 years of employment. The scheme is expected to benefit 30 lakh youth entering employment and their employers. Scheme C, support to employers. This employer-focused scheme will cover additional employment in all sectors. All additional employment within a salary of 1 lakh rupee per month will be counted. The government will reimburse to employers up to 3,000 rupees per month for 2 years towards the EPFO contribution for each additional employee. The scheme is expected to incentivize additional employment of 50 lakh persons.
Bureau Report, Team Manas News.